Yes, guys. Uh, this is the feature file for parameterization testing. We'll write feature file. So what is the feature? Very first feature we got. So we'll write feature to test login functionality. So we'll test this feature. Okay. So for that we'll write scenario. So the scenario we are going to write for this. Okay. Login with, I will write valid credentials. Login with valid credentials. So we have a Gherkin keyword like given, when, then. In between that we can write and but also. Okay. So we have a given. So we'll write prerequisites here. So like open browser, and I will write navigate to URL. What is the URL? I will pass here. Okay, the URL will pass here. So we'll do login test. We'll write login test for one of the application, Orange HRM. Okay. So actually multiple ways are there to pass parameters. Okay. So one of them we are using here. So to pass the parameter to the test. So one of them we are using. First is what? Direct approach we are using here. So given is what? When we open the browser and navigate to the corresponding URL. So then user enter username as whatever username user wants to enter, and user enter password as whatever password user wants to enter. Okay. So when user enter username and password, okay, then we will write then user click on login button. Okay. Then after that we will write. Then after that what will happen? User is on home page. So when user enters valid username, valid password. So everything is what? Valid username, valid password. And when user clicks on login button, then user should be on home page. Okay. So if you want to verify the title also, you can be able to verify here, sorry, title of the home page. Okay. So let me go to the application undertake. This is the application undertake. We'll copy this URL. So this URL we will pass as a parameter. This is the URL we will pass. Username is, as you know that, admin is the username, and password is what? Admin123. Okay, admin123 is the password. So let me control CTF control yes. So this is the feature file we have created. Okay, so let me run this feature file and we'll implement the missing state. When you run this feature file, simply right click on login test and use run as Cucumber test. So if you run this feature file, so it will get execute. So it's saying you are using deprecated main class. Please use Cucumber core. Okay, not an issue. We will use, as of now we will use. This is the oldest class that we will use. These are the, so it's saying you can implement missing state with the snippet below. Okay. So this is the login stage. For login stage we are creating. Just create one of the class. Here we will implement those steps. Okay. Login stage. Okay. Or we can say login test stage. Login test stage will write. So we don't require main method. Okay. So one by one we will go. So this is the login. Okay. And then these are the missing implementation. So we'll write those implementation. Copy this and just a second. Who is doing? Just a second. Paste here. Resume plus. Okay. So let me implement this. Just mouse over on given and import from java.en package. Okay. To import all this given, when, and just use star. So from this package, import all the classes. What we are saying, given, open browser, this is and, okay. So and navigate, and we are saying, so when you followed given, it will be a given, okay. So and navigate to that URL. That URL we will pass, okay. This is the URL we will pass, and we are saying, open the browser. This is the prerequisite, and navigate to application under test. Then after that, we are saying when user enters username as whatever username you will pass. When user enters password, whatever user password you will pass, that password. Okay. So let me. Look like this. That is the better. Okay. So this is the missing implementation. This missing implementation will implement here. Okay. What it is saying? So we'll open the browser. To open the browser, set the system variable path by using system class. Okay. System dot set property. Just use that property. Okay. You know, to set the system variable, we have a key value pair. WebDriver dot. We are working on Chrome. Chrome dot driver, and here value is what, you know, our driver is what in current working directory. So we have a driver folder. Under that we have Chrome driver dot exe. So if you want to verify that, you can verify. This is a driver folder we have here. Within that driver folder, we'll having this Chrome driver dot exe. Okay. Is there anyone who is taking cursor? This is definition. So this is the like setting the system variable path and navigating to the application under test. We'll write. What are the hooks in? So let me implement this. Hooks also we will see. One by one we will see. Okay. Control Shift O to import this driver from this package. Okay. And let me initialize this driver. Driver is equal to new Chrome driver. So just use control paste. Okay, and then after that, we'll write to manage the window. We'll go for driver. We'll maximize the window here. Okay. So once we will maximize the window, so here we implicitly wait for driver dot. Here we implicitly wait for 10 seconds. Okay. So what is the time unit? Time unit we will use in the form of seconds. Just use seconds. Okay. So implicitly we have waited here for 10 seconds. Now, once you will be on that page, until and unless that page will not get, for all the web element, we will wait for 10 seconds. Then we will navigate to the application under page. Okay. Just use driver.get method. So get method. What is the URL? So guys, this is the URL. Okay. The application under test URL we are going to pass. This URL we will pass. Okay. Then after that, so we'll find that web element. So by.id we will go. Okay. What is the ID of that web element? We'll get that ID. And so, you know, so for input operation, we'll use same keys method. Same keys. So this is what your username. Okay. So this is your username. Simply we'll pass that username here. Okay. And so for password also. Okay, we are passing that password as a parameter. Okay, as a parameter we are passing password. Just use so driver.find element. Based on ID, we will locate that web element. Okay, what is the ID? Whatever ID will be there. So we'll use that ID and then perform same keys operation and then use like password we are passing like this. So this is user pass. Okay, just use this user pass. Okay, as a parameter we are using. And then finally what we are, so once you perform click operation, so here is saying user is on home page. Where is the click operation method? So we are writing where is the feature file we have created. The feature file we have created here. So wait. So this is our project in SRC test resources. In feature we have a login test feature. Lots of load on Eclipse.